First, you will have to download the latest version of OpenSSL, link in the description. Download the OpenSSL installer, and choose the version that applies to your PC from here. After the initial install, the OpenSSL.exe is only available from the directory where it resides. To make OpenSSL accessible from any directory, you need to add OpenSSL to your path. Open run using Windows R, then type systm.cpl. Go to Advanced, then Environment Variable. In the System Variables section, select Path and click Edit. Click on Browse. Go to where the OpenSSL.exe is. Select this folder and click OK. The path has been added. Click on OK on all open windows until they are closed. Verify that OpenSSL is now accessible from outside its own directory by opening a command prompt in an arbitrary location. Enter OpenSSL version and see the result.